We can say that this is our own. Like no one does this kind of dishes.
They could always understand and they could always feel the stories behind those food.
Like really, it's an extension of who we are as a people and how we want our guests to feel, which is loved or part of our own family.
The food reflects hard work, hardship, passion, and fierceness in them that they want to fight.
I want to contribute. I've been cooking internationally, like international dishes, and I could see a potential for Filipino food.
What makes it interesting, I think, is that what our culture, what we as Filipinos have brought to all of these influences and made from it.
Filipino food is very distinct, but it's very similar. It's not Filipino food, it's Pan-Asian food. It's very similar to other cultures.
I think mainstream are gonna be amazed if they will know the stories, the flavor, the culture.
Hi, my name is Jose Batad. I'm the chef de cuisine of Oxbow here in Hotel Arts Kensington.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Angeles. I'm one of the owner of Adobe Experience.
My name is Federico Casalton Jr. I'm the executive chef of Austin's Bar and Grill.
So I'm Jade El Coro from Eats of Asia, and I am inviting you all on June 16th to the screening of Ulam, which is a movie that will be opening up. So come on down, come to the VIP experience. Whether you're Filipino or not, I encourage you to come and try the food and have a good time.